ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Regional Committee Balathong de Sarkar Meghalaya ban yepen bet yo podu sam hapdeng ke jilla Meghalaya bat ke jilla Assam shen kan sa shong ye ke jingelang bat ki nongmi khmat jong ke Sarkar Assam hasilchar nagabenta ban yekren pen bet thik tang yo podu sam jong ke snong rata chera Menteri Ketenaga ki kampo ye ngobak la kamen rumbui ubadairu udkhot jong ke Regional Committee bala khle do Menteri ke Sarkar jilla ubak snyab halang dhar habaya keren mat kilat pathai khubor ulaong bakani ke jingelang kaban long hasil char kan salong ha khandai trik ubnai risau arajara arphuai bat hadin gani ke jingelang ke committee kan sa shong jingelang biang sasisen hashwaban IT ye ka kaipot shaka Sarkar jilla
See, we have already done our meeting twice. And last Monday, we have a meeting with the stakeholder in Umkiang village, where the chairman of the committee, Basnyang Bahalang, is there, myself, and also the deputy commissioner, and from the police. So, and yesterday, the chairman of the committee, Basnyang Bahalang Dhar, have already fixed the meeting with his counterpart, the chairman from Assam, that on the 9th of this month at 2 p.m. we will meet in Silchar to see what they have, so that whatever issue which we could have will crash out. After that, then we may have a meeting in Shillong or anywhere as the case may be to see what is the outcome of those meetings. You see, as of now in JTS we have only the Ratachara. And as we know, Ratachara is a part and parcel of Meghalaya, and there should be no issue to resolve that for that area. So I hope that on the 9th of this month, when we meet, then everything will be clear, and I hope that the solution will be there. That will be covered after the second phase, because now in the first phase we have doing in Hills on the Ratachara side, and in the next after this is we finish all these things, then both the chief minister will identify which other area they will go in the second phase. So in the first phase we have decided in Hills only that area.